Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and install rare and zip file packing and unpacking app on your TCL TabMax 10. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, let's try finding an app called RAR. Select this app and install it. Now from here we'll want to make sure that no other app is downloading, so let's cancel that, move back to the rare, and it should start downloading. Open the app when it's ready, click on allow, dismiss, and now you'll be able to use this app to pack or unpack your archives. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.